This is it?
Where do you think I got that one from? I'm taking this.
Was it in the freezer?
No! It's in the refrigerator.
Wait a minute.
The stuff that's in the refrigerator is all ice.
In the refrigerator is all ice. What are you talking about?
No, I said in the freezer. It's just ice. Man, I'm tired.
Come here.
I don't even know why he went so far up.
What you was doing all day to be tired? Nothing.
Well, it's because I'm wearing this while it's hot.
Well, take it off. So leave it in the house. I'm trying to leave it off.
Dada.
Don't put it over there on the bouncer so you
I
can
know.
take it upstairs.
I know, Jess. Stupid dog.
Wait a minute. Wait, don't go over there.
Why? Why? Don't go
You
over
got it
where?
on play.
It's recording.
Yeah, but the car is not moving.
He's putting the garbage in the back of the train.
Oh.
I tell you, I've been doing this all day messing with this thing. I know it's almost every second what's going on.
6, 28, 29, 30, 31. 32. So when the 643 is probably 644.
No, 642 is when he hit. 640 is when he. 640 is basically when it's.
This is 643 right now. I'm looking at 58, 59. Now it's 644.
But 640 is further back. This is the time he's taking it. I mean, they taking 5 minutes. Now they're leaving.
Oh, they're leaving.
It already happened already. I'm getting them when they go off the block now.
Oh, to show that they never tried to even look at the car, did they?
Nope. I got it from the point. I went and got it from the point from.